Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah man, we're there again, people, on the adventures. Out and bad this morning. Yeah man, I don't know where I go already. Pushing out this morning, trying to get some content, people, so we can pick up for dinner this evening. Jamaican shore fishing at one of our favorite spots, people. Yeah man, we chop it. Come in. This what's up, guys. Slow walk down here. The sun is up already, guys. High tide, I could see it. Just reached the spot, peoples, and yeah man, we're cast out 2 line.
Yeah man. Yes, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, guys. Look at this, a river come down. Perfect lure dropping and drop line fishing this morning, guys. Water high. Me not even carry Mr. Beaky with me this morning. We see him can catch 2 live bait, peoples. But water look nice.
Yeah guys, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Yeah man, we'll cast out with lure. Same time no want to come off up here, so guys. And then I get a major hit. But we're gonna see if we can pick up something here in the internal section of the water here, so. Fish on, guys. Fish on. I got fish on, guys. Yep. Put this rod down real quick. Fish. Making shore fishing, guys. We got something online here. Let's see what it is. Yeah man, right on the GX ugly stick. Feels like a jack or something, guys. Small snapper. Oi, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Yeah, snappers running around, guys. Well, fish on. Look at that. Oh. Let's see what I have on this. Jamaican shore fishing here, people. I think we got something on this line here. See what we got, guys. Yeah, we got something on here. Got a little snapper. Yellowtail. Small yellowtail. Yeah man.
I thought you said it didn't get it.
He's small, so. Yeah man, take photo. Yeah man, Jamaican shore fishing here. Another small one. That's what's up. Yeah. Only Jamaican shore fishing, people. That's what's up. On the hook and line, people. Yeah man. Let me get this into you guys. Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. We do it like this. Just like that, guys. Yeah man. Out there. Definitely out there, guys. That's what's up.